lovelies. Love to Hill. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong channel. Love to Nourish in Nature. So I have the Zinnia. Save the Bees pollinator kit. And I'm doing it different than just putting them in like pots right now, since I'm making so many. I don't know if y'all can see that. Since I planted so much, just to try it out and see how it go. I've been using tubs and water bottles, and I didn't put any holes in it, but that's okay, because I want to try it this way. And I'm really afraid because this is dye, but I need to use this little tiny shirt. Excuse me. Well, I want to use this tiny shirt because I don't have no other shirt to use right now. Scissors I have, right, are not the best. Here's some. And they're black because I burn them and put holes in the bottom. Use liquid. I want to do it different. That's okay. It's another one right here. I got these from Dollar Tree. They do have them available at Five Below too. Seems like quite a lot in here too. I give you this, and you know, of course, to put it in here. But this mug gonna blow away. These are not small, but they're thin. It's quite a few in here. I'm expecting at least like 10, but it's more than that. I'm gonna put, let me see. These look like sunflower seeds. 1, 2. I think it's like 4, but I'm gonna add some more. Okay, sorry, my video cut off. If you follow Love to Heal, you will understand. But anyway, focus on something different. It's gonna be a 2-in-1 video because it cut off, and I already prepared like 3 of these. And I'm doing the Daisy Save the Bees pollinator kit, and I didn't plant my second one because I was like, maybe I can redo the video over, but I'm not. So we're gonna do a 2-in-1 special today. So 2 daisies, and I still gotta plant the other Zinnia one. I feel good, keep it real. Never leave you lonely. So take a ride, just take a ride, take a ride. Say how you feel, keep it real. Never leave you lonely. And I'm gonna show y'all the daisy seeds since I already showed y'all this already. Now, I don't know about these. The other packs, they having like a bank of seeds. Now this one, it don't seem like there's much seeds in here. Y'all see? They're like dill seeds. Very tiny. So, but got multiple. Ooh, it's about to be sad. Put 9 in there. 3, 6. I put basically 9 in this one. So I don't have to open the other one, and I just need to dig. Let me label it, cause forget. A red bird. Haven't seen a red bird in forever. Two, 4, 6 eggs, 1, and I'm gonna do 9 of these. I ain't on the other ones. I don't remember how much I put in the last pot. I just wanna. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Bless me. I hope y'all said bless me. I'm sorry. Oh. Let me just top it off a little bit if I can. Because, you know, once you add water, it's going to go down anyway. Wasn't expecting that much, but it already been shrunk down. That was the goal. I was down to save that plant. And a lot of my potting soil, I don't know if I've shared this, but it already has eggshells in it. And I will be putting up, I put up a little skit of how I make my compost and soil mix. I may make a longer video in the future, but I'm not for sure. I feel just keep it real and everything. I have some fresh raspberries that I need to pot. And it's gonna be next video, so stay tuned. I mostly post on Wednesdays for Wellness Wednesdays. We'll see about the future. And as I don't remember if I said go follow Love to Heal, since I've already said it at the beginning of the video. Go follow that for your spiritual healing and journey. And join me on mine. Excuse me. I do art on that one. A little art therapy as I do on here, which is part of my garden therapy. Very therapeutic. And I gotta label this next one anyway. Just keep it. Oh. Okay, there we go now. I forgot to label. Got my 4 plants. Today they are due for water because I know that's thirsty. That's thirsty. Join me on the next video for the fresh raspberries.